What's up, my beautiful friends, my beautiful and abundant friends? Happy Saturday. I hope whoever celebrated Thanksgiving had a very, very blessed day. My name is Kian and welcome to Trader's Choice Crypto and Precious Metals. First thing is first, make sure you hit the thumbs up on your way in and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and subscribe to my channel for daily crypto content and a lot of other fun stuff. Link will be in the description below. My goodness, guys, what a turn of events that we have had. Things were looking good, okay? I did call for a turnaround, but it doesn't matter how strong the fundamentals of something are, how good you are at technical analysis. It just takes one piece of bad news. And big shout out to my man Greg and Dr. Harding, who came on yesterday and speaking truth. The truth truly sets you guys free, guys. And we are not meant to live in a state of fear. We are meant to be abundant, prosperous, and sovereign beings. Unfortunately, there is a little bit of chaos going on outside, but thankfully we have individuals like Greg and Dr. Harding who came on and spoke the truth. So let's talk about these markets, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to get too much into precious metals today. Precious metals took a hit with the new variant news that just came out. We're going to focus on the crypto markets today mainly. So on Thanksgiving Day, we were actually looking good. We were testing resistance at around a little above 59K, touching the 60K mark, and then bam, we had that piece of news come out about this variant, and there is a whole lot of red, not just in the crypto markets, but in the stock markets and also in the precious metals markets as well. These kinds of unforeseen things happen. This is the thing, as I previously stated, one piece of bad news can send, or in the crypto market in some cases, one bad tweet could send the crypto market into the red. But when these great events happen, these threats happen, these pullbacks happen, they represent opportunities. Opportunities not only to buy the frickin' dip, but also to learn and fortify ourselves more when it comes to crypto trading strategies. Of course, this is not financial or investment advice. This is for education only. Now, how do you handle volatility in the crypto markets? What I'm about to tell you guys doesn't just apply to cryptocurrencies. In my opinion, it applies to freaking life as well. Crypto markets and trading these crypto markets and trading any kind of market is a discipline. And a discipline involves restraining certain passions of ours so that we can make some progress in whatever chosen field that we choose to do. In this case, trading the crypto markets. There are two human emotions that I talk about regularly actually on my own channel, specifically by using the Fear and Greed Index. Sentimental analysis is a powerful tool when it comes to timing entry and exit strategies. But sentimental analysis is also a self-exploration tool. Fear and greed are two emotions, and this is just the first step. These are two emotions that must be mastered if we want to take full advantage of the great opportunities in the crypto markets and also minimize risk, right? We can't stop the volatility. We don't know what's around the corner, but by having mastery over ourselves and having clear goals and expectations, we can make abundant, prosperous moves in these crypto markets. When we are too greedy, we forget to pull profits. When we are fearful, we might make decisions out of haste, out of panic, out of fear. And so these two emotions, in my opinion, are the first things to master before moving on to the second step, which is having realistic goals and expectations. The expectations, the realistic part, let's talk about the realistic part. Are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? If we are in a bull market, which we are right now, and I expect this bull market to continue all the way till about the 21st, 22nd of December. Of course, I break this down on my own channel. Link is in the description below. Give me a follow if you want to know why. When we understand that there are these natural cycles within these crypto markets, we can have realistic goals and expectations. Of course, there might be local tops and bottoms, but if we are in a bull market, we are trading on an upward standard deviation. If we are in a bear market, we are trading on a downward standard deviation. And so other kinds of realistic goals and expectations are profit targets. Do you have profit targets for the day? Are you happy with X amount that you make during the day? If you hit those targets, I promise you eventually they will add up, because these are realistic goals and expectations. But in order to achieve and manifest these goals and expectations, we have to first conquer those two human emotions of fear and greed. And to be honest, you know, the powers that be, the corruption that exists, the media, what are they exploiting in order to gain control over mass population? Fear or greed? Specifically fear. When we go into fear, survival instincts kick in, and what do? We just try to survive. You know, I saw this tweet on Twitter the other day. It said from this crypto person that I follow, this individual said, pro tip, red is for buying, not selling. Of course, in a bull market, that stands to be 100% true. And I was like, wow, this is absolutely a pro tip. Personally, what I'm doing right now, I'm continuing to hodl, and I'm buying every single dip until I have reasons to believe that we are going to turn bearish. And truthfully, I don't think that's coming for another couple of weeks, at least 2-3 weeks, I would give it. So if we see more of a pullback, guess what I'm doing? I'm going to add to my freaking positions. You better believe that. If you conquer these two emotions, and if you have realistic expectations and goals, and if you do your own research, I see no reason why any pullback in the bull market should startle you. And when we turn bearish, okay, I have a plan for everything, the whole 9 yards, okay? After close to the end of the year, okay, my focus is going to turn into the metaverse and crypto gaming, as I have reasons to believe these two categories are going to freaking blow up. And something that I want to add here, something that I always tell my followers, my abundant ones on my channel, is the idea of the digital renaissance, and reiterating the fact that there will be a revolution, but this revolution will not be centralized, right? I really believe that there will come a day, because decentralization is run and owned by the community, not just one company or central agency or governing body. I do believe that the digital renaissance entails a beautiful, liberated exchange of information, ideas, creativity, art on a level without restriction and censorship, which is why I always encourage people to really understand and study the philosophy of true decentralization. And this is something I foresee coming. So all the things that we are seeing today, right? The old is known. People are waking up and smelling the coffee. They're like, oh my God, there's something going on. There's a natural mistrust in the air. But I'm also here to tell you that as the old is crumbling, the new is simultaneously building up. And yes, we are moving towards extremes, extreme haves and have-nots, extreme control, and also extreme freedom. And it is your choice to choose in this very moment which side of history that you want to be on. I know I have chosen. And I'm glad to be part of this channel, truthfully. Again, big shout out to my man Greg and Dr. Harding for coming out and speaking the truth and being on the right side of history, because human beings are meant to live in extreme fear or extreme greed. Those are two unhealthy extremes. I like balance. I like equilibrium. I like being in the middle. And with that comes a lot of peace, prosperity, and abundance. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Monday through Friday crypto videos, plus a lot of other cool content. Not trying to toot my horn or anything, you know. It's just an invitation, like a little invite card. And I will see you guys very soon. I wish you guys a very beautiful week ahead. I wish you freedom. I wish you love. I wish you prosperity and all the happiness that life has in store for each and every one of us. Until next time, my beautiful friends, you guys stay blessed and take care. Peace.